Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Valentine's is coming up this weekend and you'll probably want to surprise your partner with a lovely breakfast. There's one that is so scrumptious and it's my chocolate waffles. Super easy to make. This is a delicious change from the regular ones. Topped with whipped cream and some strawberries. This will definitely earn you some bonus points. So let's get cooking. In a medium bowl, we'll combine flour, granulated sugar, some cocoa powder, followed by baking powder, as well as baking soda and some sea salt. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended. To this, we'll add 1.5 cups of whole milk, but I had some evaporated milk left over, so I used about half a cup. Very soon, I'll be posting a tips and tricks on different ways to use up your evaporated milk, so stay tuned. Because I already used half a cup of liquid, I'll add 1 cup of whole milk. Next, we'll add 2 beaten eggs, some melted unsalted butter that had time to cool off, and pure vanilla extract. When I film and my husband is there, I don't know if I get distracted by his charm or because he's pesky, but I totally used the wrong kitchen tool, so I switched to a spoon. Voila! Now it works better. We'll stir until nicely mixed, making sure to clean the sides and the bottom of the bowl. We don't want any pockets of flour hiding in our batter. We'll now fold in the semi-sweet chocolate chips. I put 3/4 cup on the website, but David and I prefer half a cup. To us, it's sweet enough, but adjust it to your liking. All right, so when a waffle iron is hot, we'll grease it with cooking spray. We'll add a couple ladles of the batter into the preheated waffle iron, close the lid, and cook until golden and crisp. Mine takes about 4 minutes per waffle, but yours might take less or more time. We'll transfer it onto a wire rack for a couple minutes to let the moisture escape. Now, if you want to serve everyone at the same time, put them on a plate and transfer to a 170-degree preheated oven to keep them warm. When it's time to serve, we'll spoon on some whipped cream, which you can make it from scratch by clicking on the top right corner of your screen, and topped with sliced strawberries. And my friends, these are our chocolate waffles. Quick and easy to make, these waffles are so flavorful. They're great for Valentine's Day or any time you want something sweet for breakfast. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!